In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create stunning 3D Disney Pixar style caricatures of your dog or your cat or any pet that you want really. I've actually got two specific prompts for you that I've created, tested, and I'm going to show you how you can go from something like this to this and something like this to this. And below this video, you'll find a link where you can get free access to my prompt and training document. That's got all my prompts in there for these pet caricatures and also for my action figure and person caricatures. You get the whole lot for free. There's a link below this video, so make sure that you grab that. Also, if you're enjoying any of my videos, please give this video a thumbs up, and why not subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and click on that notification bell. I'm also going to show you how you can make money from these caricatures, and you can do that whether it's a person caricature or a pet caricature, and you'll be surprised how easy it is to do this. Right, let's get started. Okay, my babies. Right, so to begin with, I just want to show you my keyword tool here, because this is what got me interested. Look at this dog caricature, right? So there are roughly 100 to 1,000 monthly searches. I reckon that that's a lot more actually, but more importantly, look at this. There is a 900% change in the last 3 months for dog caricature. So people are searching for this, and you can see that trend as well rising on YouTube as well. So I thought this would be great, because you may not know, or you may know, that I also teach people how to make money online aside from teaching how to do this kind of stuff. So I'm going to show you how you can make some money as well from these today if you fancy a little side hustle. So quite simply, what I did to begin with, and I want you to try this, if you've got a paid ChatGPT, I think it's about $20 a month to get paid ChatGPT, and I think it's worth it. You can do this stuff on free as well, but if you've got the paid version, I think that gets you the access to the 4.5. And the 4.5 is kind of like the more advanced for doing research and writing and kind of stuff like that. So what I've done is I've come to 4.5, because 4.5 doesn't do images, and I've said please write me a prompt to use with ChatGPT. So the reason that I say that is because otherwise it'll think that I want to do it for like Mid-Journey, so it'll write one for Mid-Journey. Please write me a prompt to use with ChatGPT in order to create a Pixar Disney style 3D caricature of a dog from an image that I upload. So I've said I want this to be visually striking and amusing, but bear strong resemblance to the actual dog. So I like to do that because I like to get ChatGPT to think, you know, before it does things, right? So it's given me this prompt. I've got this prompt for you in my doc. You'll get this if you click on the link below my video. You'll get this doc, and it's got all the prompts that you can copy and paste for my animals, but it's also got my action figure prompts as well as birthday cards and all this kind of stuff, right? So really good stuff there, and you get that absolutely free below this video. So go ahead and do that as soon as you finish with this video, or pause and do it now. But I've gone over to 4.5. I've asked it to give me this prompt, and then I've literally come over to 4.0, as you can see up here, which does the images, and I've just pasted in the actual prompt. All right, so this prompt here I've pasted in to 4.0, as you can see here. This is the image that we started with. This is our beautiful little Neve, and this is what it came up with, and I think that is just incredible. And if we look on the dock, I've got a side by side there, and you can really see, you know, this is really good. I know she looks like she's kind of standing up in the air, but that's because she was which this is her in my office. She wants to get on my lap, right? So she's saying, let me on your lap. And but I think, as you can see, it's done a really good job. It's really captured the essence of Neve, and I think that is absolutely fantastic. So then I thought, well, it'd be really good if I did that for a cat as well. So I came over to 4.5 and said, please now write one for a cat, which it did. And I took this, and it's slightly different. It's got like fur patterns, charming pose, and all this sort of stuff relating to cats, all right? And then, of course, what I did was I came over to this, and I put in, this is an image of our cat Rosie. She's a very sweet girl. She's got one blind eye, but it didn't come out on the actual caricature, and I was going to change it, but I thought, no, do you know what? Let's give her two decent eyes, bless her, because she's a very beautiful cat. And it came up with this, which I think is lovely. You know, really sweet. And again, if we look at the side by side, you can see. Now, to make money from these, this is popular stuff. All you need to do is go to sites like Etsy, and you can see that on sites like Etsy, the caricatures of pets are incredibly popular. We take a look at this one, for example. Note that this says digital file orders can be printed at your convenience. All right, this is to receive a high quality digital JPEG. All right, so they're not sending it, and they're literally using, from what I can tell, ChatGPT to do the same stuff. Now, if you want to put the name of the pet on there, you can do that, of course. You can ask it to put the name of the pet on there, but that's how you do it, simple as that. And if you get access to my document for free, you can literally just copy and paste these without having to sit there and kind of try and work out and write them all out. It'll be a lot easier for you. So don't forget, click the link below this video to get your free document that's got all the prompts in there, everything you need, so you can just copy and paste and get started yourself. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up and maybe subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And in the comments below, just let me know, what did you think of this video? What pet are you going to make a caricature of? Give me a link to that caricature so I can take a look. I'd love to hear from you. Do that now, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.